Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create US Go2bank. In order to create Go2bank account, first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then to begin with, open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, go ahead and type in go2bank.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. So once you type in the link, it's going to direct you to the actual web page. Now go ahead and click on open an account, which will be located right on top as well as right at the bottom. With you'll need to provide in your email address. After that, it's going to ask you to move on with the step number 2. You'll need to provide in your legal first name and then the last name. So quickly type in your information and then click on the continue button. After that, it's going to ask you to enter in your home address. Make sure that the address that you're entering is correct or that is on the ID or the state ID. After you're done entering the address, you also need to mark on the terms and conditions, select the state as well, and you'll need to go ahead and select the consent as well and click on the continue button. So as soon as you're done entering the information, next page you'll be asked to create a login details. For the login details, you basically have to create a username and then a password. After that, you will need to confirm your identity by entering the verification code that will be sent to your registered email address or a phone number. Once you're done, your account is set and you can start adding funds from various banking transactions. Now you can also explore all of that features such as making transactions, paying bills and all that. Now as for buying a US non-VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol number, you can typically acquire one through various online services that provides virtual phone number. This number can be used for verification purpose, including for creating an account on platform like Go2bank. Be sure to choose the reputable service and follow the instruction for purchasing a VoIP number. In this way, you can create a Go2bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.